Guys, again, another video of Fix It Pros. We had just finished fixing the LCD. So if you see the other video, we had repaired this LCD, and we were testing. I wanted to make sure everything was good. And when I put the phone in the charger, as you can see, plug it in. You see this temperature thing. So we were trying to figure it out. Trying to see exactly what the issue is, and with the help of a good friend of ours, we're gonna give him a shout out, Cell Pros, Arturo. We asked him what exactly the issue was, and he had mentioned that basically you have to put in all these screws back in place. I mean, that's like a first time ever for Samsung. It's basically the plate has to be in, even though you see the plate in, it has to be screwed down. Now, I'm not exactly sure which one of these, but I'm sure it's that all of them have to be placed in the phone, okay? And so that's, it's basically the battery temperature. It's saying that the battery temperature is off, but all of these screws have to be put in. So that was pretty helpful. Screw all this in. All these nice and tight. But in case you ever have that problem and you're trying to figure out, is it the LCD, and before you go nutso, it's really just have to put all these screws back into place. And I'd like to see which one it is, but I don't really have time to figure out which screw makes the connection, because what if you might lose a screw? But it's definitely these top ones, because I hadn't put the bottom ones in all the way, and that was basically, it was these screws, okay? And that's pretty much one more screw. Better put them all back in. And now, with everything in place, it seems to be pretty tight, okay? Everything's in place. Okay. Let's try it again. Now we're going to plug it in. See what happens. Now you see it charging. And now it's going to 1%. It's charging. This is not an original cable, so you're probably going to see this little exclamation point here. But it's because it's not the original cable. As you see, now it's going to show that it's charging, and it doesn't have that temperature sign anymore. All right, guys, thank you so much. Check out our, subscribe to our website, Fix It Pros. We got fixitpros.com is our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and give us a like. Thank you so much. Have a great day.